Hello, beautiful people. Today we're in Dubai for a quick getaway, and yes, you heard that right. I'm being spoiled again. So, we're staying at the Millennium Hotel in Barsha, and I'm about to give you a tour of our standard king room. Ta-da! Welcome, welcome. It is cozy though, and perfect for a little escape. I hope you guys enjoy this short video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Your support means the world to me. Thank you so much, beautiful people.
Don't let this be our final song.